Hello and welcome to New This Week on artsloud.com, the sound of independence. Today on the show, I have a band who over the past 8 years has carved a niche for themselves in the space of fusion rock music. Well, they say they have a special connection with Mother Nature, and that's the reason they named their latest album as Silent Sea, which they're here to promote. And let me tell you something, their latest album, Silent Sea, also won the GEMA Award for the Best Rock Album. Please welcome Adwaita. Guys, welcome to the show. First of all, I'd like to congratulate you. Your album has won the GEMA Award for the Best Rock Album.
Yeah.
Right?
Thank you very much.
So, I want to ask you a question. Where are the rest of the 6 band members? Do you even know that you play with 6 other people?
They were here a minute. No,
Yeah?
They're back in Delhi.
They're back in Delhi.
Yeah, 2 of us came for the awards.
Okay.
So, yeah.
Still in the nascent stage, you're an upcoming, struggling band. You know, figuring out the travel plans and the tickets. So जिसकी ticket आ जाती है वो travel करता है.
हाँ, मैं पुगाई करी थी.
पुगाई करके हम दोनों का
पुगाई करके. Super cool. So you know, let's do a pugata and we'll decide who to ask the questions. That's it. Quickly. Chal. Okay. Okay, you are out. So I'm going to ask you first. Superb, man. Superb. So, just for the record, for all your fans out there, please introduce yourself so there's no more confusion. You are?
I'm Abhishek.
You're Abhishek?
I play guitar in the band.
I'm Chayan and I'm the vocalist.
Super cool. So, because he's the vocalist, he should be the one who should be asked those questions.
Absolutely, yeah.
So, tell me something, who decided that, a band has to be formed? Who was the first person? You were the one.
Along with 2 or 3 other guys,
Okay.
some who are not in the lineup anymore.
Yeah.
So they had to.
They're busy
pursue
hunting for
other-
more musicians.
Yeah, actually, because we had been playing in bands for a while and knew the way the scene was, and we just felt the time was right for something new and fresh to to happen rather than the same kind of bands that had been going on. So we met a few classical musicians, and they were also open to writing some new music. And instantly there was some chemistry, and we were like, this is something different. We really need to pursue this. And so yeah, that's what it's been.
So, did you randomly meet the other band members or were you hunting for them?
There was some sort of a hunt, I think.
I was hunted.
You were hunted?
Yeah.
Where were you? Like, you were swimming or snorkeling in the jungles of Africa, and this guy was like,
The
go
helicopter
get
came and
No, pretty much. I mean, you should ask him that they were actually, like I said, I was part of this choir. And the keyboardist in the band is also a part of this choir. So when their previous singer left, they used to see the videos and say, "Acha, ye kaisa gaata hai? Isko bulao zara audition." So that was how I actually got called.
So, do they boss you around because they got you, or as a vocalist, you're like, dude, I'm the king?
Exactly. I'm the vocalist. I'm in the front. They can't boss me.
can't argue with that.
Yeah, really?
He's the one where all the girls have like posters for and all that,
Exactly.
We're like the backup band.
Exactly. Most of the times, people don't realize that it's a band together.
हाँ, वो तो बहुत होता है. People say, अरे देखो वो YouTube गा रहा है.
हाँ.
YouTube में 4 लोग हैं. वो
हाँ.
थोड़ा है perception. ठीक है.
Our perception है, but like in our band we have 2 vocalists,
Yeah.
sometimes even 3.
Yeah.
So as such, there is no spotlight on just one particular person. I mean,
think
luckily
we're
we've
quite proud of the fact that we've managed to maintain an image that it is a band of
like
8 people.
everybody talks about
art.
art log, and so that's a good thing.
Yeah, that's a good thing.
Yeah.
So, how is it that you wanted to sound?
That's an interesting question because there are musicians who've grown up listening to rock music. There are other musicians who are completely from Indian classical families. Subah agarbatti jala ke riyaz karna hai and all. Not like the image you have of a rock band.
Yeah.
So the influences are actually very different. But where we found a common ground was that we wanted to make music which wasn't like the grab you by the neck kind of thing, but the kind of music you listen to with your eyes closed. You're like, yeah, ye badi intense si music hai. Like I want to put the lights off and listen to it, and that's kind of common in a lot of different styles of music. It's not necessarily you'll only hear it in classical or only with something like a Pink Floyd or something like that. So we found like there was something happening where we all were coming together in this. It was more of feeling, the sound is following the feeling basically. Yeah.
So sweet.
Yeah,
so
yeah,
sweet.
yeah,
But I want to ask you something. When you guys started off, what was your family's reaction? कि बच्चे पागल हुए हैं, ये क्या हो रहा है?
नहीं पागल तो वैसे थे.
थे पागल थे. वो एक
अब अपना
certified
पागल
था.
कर और लोगों के सामने दिखाएंगे ये क्या है. नहीं ऐसी बात नहीं है.
बेइज्जती करा रहे हैं हमारे खानदान की. इन्हें IIT में जाना चाहिए था.
हाँ, मैंने तो एग्जाम भी दिए थे.
हाँ.
तो
लेकिन आईटी में 3 बार परफॉर्म कर लिया.
हाँ परफॉर्म कर लिया. आई मीन इट्स बिकम वन ऑफ दोज ना कि चलो घुस एडमिशन नहीं ले पाया
बेसिकली
but बचा
पिताजी की आपने लाज रख ली, पिताजी ने कहा भैया कभी आईआईटी भी जाओ, तो आप 3 बार हुआ है।
But we've had our parents have been very supportive, and I mean, it sounds like a cliche, but really you can't do this kind of stuff without having your parents.
No, but in the
support.
beginning, were they supportive of you or were they against you?
I mean, I think individually everybody's had their own share of struggle in the sense that, I mean, personally, मैं कह सकता हूँ कि I was in a full mode to science लिया school में, gave all my engineering exams, got through a few places, but took the decision to not go, and then finally got into this band, and at some point told my mother that अब तो ऐसा लग रहा है कि यही करना पड़ेगा. So initially वो shock reaction तो था, are you sure? Are you sure?
It's all very easy after you've received some recognition and all that for everybody. But they realize that, no, these guys are making some really good music, so something will happen. Because the parents had that belief, that gives you a lot of confidence.
Where did you perform the first time?
It was in Venkateshwar College in Delhi.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was like a World Peace Day concert for the Art of Living. I had organized it. So, very, very somber occasion. And we got on stage and everybody was handed a candle, and it was like a very and Chayan should tell you more about it because he was in the audience. So
I was in the audience, and this is pretty much the first time I was watching a local band play, like an Indian band play on stage. I mean, my perception of a band was that you have to be, like a vocalist especially, has to be kind of, like this thing.
Head-banging stuff.
Yeah. Like, the general stereotype.
Breaking the guitars.
Exactly. Yeah. That's the kind of, I mean, at least India mein to yahi hota hai.
Yeah.
So when I saw these guys, I found it very, very interesting. I was like, this is new, this is interesting. And of course, I knew some of the guys in the band because I used to look up to them because they used to sing with me and they were seniors.
Yeah.
So it was, I mean, I was, very inspired at that time. Arey yaar, this is very interesting stuff. Ye to mujhe pata hi nahi tha that kind of stuff is happening.
So 7 years ago, when you all got together, where was your first performance?
first proper one would be that
Straight to Nepal.
Nepal. Dekho to yaar. International gig.
International gig.
Actually, I remember that was the first time you went on a flight, if I remember correctly.
Okay, yeah, so
That was the first time you ever traveled in a flight.
Yeah. I remember he was just like, खिड़की के पास.
It was definitely like, my happened to be the first show and I'm traveling abroad kind of thing. And it was fascinating.
Yeah.
In fact, I ended up writing a song about that journey. Kind
Really?
of thing. Yeah.
He's cool.
Yeah, he's very cool.
Who's the eldest in the band?
Tabla player actually.
The tabla player.
Yeah.
He has a name?
Mohit.
Mohit.
Yeah.
He's the eldest.
Yeah.
So does he boss around? Does he act like an elder brother or a big boss?
Sometimes.
Sometimes.
Yeah, when he gets in the mood.
Yeah,
all the
I
time.
mean, mine, Mohit is the eldest, but he's also close to be like the
most mischievous.
mischievous in the band.
Yeah.
So I mean, more than bossing around, he's generally cracking silly jokes and making imaginary friends. And stuff.
Imaginary friends.
I mean, this Gaurav.
That doesn't sound very.
And that's the only friend, imaginary friend he has, or there are a lot of other.
No, he's quite the fan following actually.
Yeah? What happened? What was that gig? What was that project which changed, which put you in a different spotlight altogether?
Was this Soundpad project which we'd worked with the British Council, and they'd basically gotten John Leckie, who's a very famous producer, worked with Beatles, Floyd
Right.
and stuff, and he was working on this project where he chose 4 bands
From the nation.
from India and recorded a project with them, so 2 songs each. That, I mean, really, I mean, the first time we'd gone on a professional tour, and like he talks about me looking outside the plane like this. We got our first tour bus, and I
like
mean,
a bus with a kitchen and a drawing room and a TV area and a
we were all
fridge and,
fascinated by it, and apparently like the driver told us, oh, before you guys, Will Smith and his family had used it. And I'm like, oh, okay, interesting.
So, yeah. That
So,
was,
I mean, this really
But
one.
that was that would have been fascinating because as a band, I'm sure every band in the world, dreams about traveling all across the globe, doing their concerts in their tour bus. It's not the flight which fascinates them most; it's the tour bus.
we had no idea this was going to happen.
Yeah.
Suddenly these massive buses just pulled up and it was like a surprise actually. And
Wow.
we got it and we were like, wow. So
So 2008, it was the Soundpad project, and then in 2009, you came up with your first ever album, right?
yes, that's right. Yeah.
That's
Which
right.
was?
It's called Grounded in Space.
Yeah.
Again, like I said, we've been very particular about what we want to sound and what we want to do. So we decided to record the album at Yashraj Studios here in Bombay with Mr. Shantanu Hudlikar. So, I mean,
Yeah, I mean, at that time, for a band like us, that was a very expensive proposition we were getting into. But that's the kind of spirit that I'm very happy that we all share. The 8 of us share. Let's just go for it.
Well, if you were happy, what we'd like to do is we'd like you to make your fans happier and perform the song from the same album. So
Sure,
which song
yeah.
would you like to perform?
We'll play a song called Miliha.
It means something very beautiful.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Wow, that sounds interesting.
Yeah, it
And I'm
is.
sure the sound and the entire composition is going to be even more beautiful for them. Yep. Let's have their first performance, Miliha.
Seeking, searching, trying to find, waiting, watching. I don't know why. Caring for those who made us cry, still here waiting, I don't know why, I'm seeking, searching, trying to find, waiting, watching, I don't know why.
There's a song called Rasiya.
Yeah.
Yeah. Who wrote the lyrics?
It's based on a bandish. Actually, the classical part is an existing bandish.
Right.
And I wrote the English part.
Wow.
Yeah.
Amazing, amazing. And then you decided to make a video of it.
Yeah.
And that's the reason the video came out really well.
We were really happy with it.
Yeah.
It was something. Even those guys who did it were like, we're experimenting. We don't know what's going to happen.
Yeah.
But there were these techniques called stop motion and light painting, and
Yeah.
it was exciting. Yeah.
The most important part was that the vibe of the video matches, the song. Absolutely. I mean, exactly how you would want to visualize it when you sing it
Yeah.
or play it, sort of.
So let's have a look at this video of the song Rasiya.
रसिया हूँ न जाने, रसिया हूँ न जाने, रसिया हूँ न जाने. Someone told me once, nothing is in vain. Everybody's dreaming, and everything's the same. Someone told me once, time is now. Forever is still, just like the ocean.
Wow, that was a wonderful song. I must congratulate you, and I must say that the sounds are so pure that it touched my heart, and I'm sure it was the same experience as from people across the globe, wherever you must have performed.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I want to ask you, when you were performing in London, did you get a similar kind of response where people didn't understand your music, or were they like, "Oh, we know what kind of music you're playing"?
London's also a tough place to play because they're exposed to everything.
The best in the world, I would say.
If I could say this, I haven't been all over the world, but if there's one city where I feel the entire world is sort of present, every culture is there, I think London is one of those cities
Yeah.
right now where you can hear anything, you can eat any kind of food. So actually it was also challenging. They know, they've seen everything. So we were really overwhelmed that the audiences there thought
Super.
like this was a new kind of fusion or whatever they were.
Amazing,
And
amazing.
yeah, they totally got it, what we are.
Super cool.
Yeah.
And now, this year, you came up with your next album, Silent Sea. Well, we're going to discuss about their album, but on the other side of the break. Don't go anywhere, stay tuned. तो एक को फिल्में देखनी पसंद है, एक को तैयार होना पसंद है, एक तो दीन दुनिया से परे है बेचारा, एक कितना शरीफ भोला भाला, एक वो है जो सारी लाइमलाइट ले जाता है. Most irritating band member.
None.
Controversial.
Yeah? Who's winning this battle?
where we come from, where we going to.
Janeja, you're my love, you're my love. Hi, this is Earl URL. Now I'm coming on artistaloud.com with a very experimental album that's called Coelis.
You're the sunshine in my day.
That's right. Catch us performing live this Thursday, 4 p.m. on artistaloud.com.
Where it's music.
First.
Artist Aloud Voice.
Music in your heart, music in your soul. Hear it all together now on your phone. It's your music station, and it's on your phone.
Artist Aloud Voice. Artist Aloud Voice.
Music in your heart, music in your soul. You put your hand there, man.
Artist Aloud Voice.
Welcome back to New This Week, and I have with me two of the most talented members of the band Advaita, right? And now you are here with your latest album, Silent Sea. Congratulations, we're launching it today on artistaloud.com.
Thank you.
How did you come up with the name Silent Sea?
Mumbai mein the hum. I think we had come for we were playing at Blue Frog, and we'd come here and we were staying at Worli, and it was basically sea facing or something like that. And one evening, there was 3 of us or 4 of us in the apartment, and the lights went out. So Sohail was playing his sarangi, I was on the guitar, and Anando on the he's a keyboardist, but he also was playing the guitar at that time. And for us, what was happening that time, like Sohail came up with this melody, and he kept playing it, and we kept, playing something to that. And there was the sound of the wind, the sound of the sea, and nothing else. And it was a moment where, I don't know, like if it's exaggerated, but almost like a supernatural experience where you feel that there's a conversation happening. So
Wow.
you're playing something and there's a response. And it was kind of spooky. And so that song eventually turned out to be a song called Silent Sea.
How many songs do you have in the album?
I have 10 songs.
Okay.
And all 10 songs have been written by the existing lineup.
Yeah.
So it's a very, very good reflection of where we've come from the last album, so everything. So it's been, I think, a very interesting project for us.
So tell me about some of the other tracks.
There's another one, Dust, which opens the album. Actually, he came up with the lyrics for that song, and he came up with it after watching some BBC show on volcanoes. So those are the kind of inspirations.
Yeah, this conversation with the sea, volcanoes,
So with this album, you've taken it to the next level. And I'm sure with your next performance, you'll take the show to another level.
Sure, yeah.
Sure.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Let's have another performance. Dust from the album Silent Sea.
Where we come from, where we going to. Born to time and space from the cosmic womb. The fires burn, burning deep below. Creating skin skin and blood and bones. Forgotten wisdom lost beneath the ground. Everything shall pass, everything will turn to dust. All we live for, all our dreams and all we love. Everything shall pass, everything will turn to dust.
Most irritating band member?
None.
Controversial.
Yeah? No, that's not controversial.
Why is there darkness all around? Why am I sinking in the quicksand?
Welcome back, everybody. I have with me Advait, right? As I would say, so 2 are here, 6 are like hiding somewhere or the other. And
Very shy.
you recently won the GMA Award for the best rock album. You are at the top of the world. Were you expecting that you will win?
Absolutely not. We came with zero expectation. We came only because we had free tickets.
Yeah.
And we wanted to watch, like a show like that because TV पे देखा है फिल्म फेयर वगैरह expect किया था कि वैसी म्यूजिक अवार्ड की तरह होगा and that's exactly what we went there for.
Yeah.
And उसके बाद जब announce हुआ तो फिर
And,
Who all did you meet now?
we were also very petrified in case we do win. वहाँ जाके कुछ बोलना पड़ेगा हमें बस करिए. We were like,
exactly. वो stage पे तो मैं okay so I am the lead singer. I do most of the talking, but उस दिन stage पे मैं freeze हो गया था. And I pushed him in front
my
भाई
son
तो
बड़े
आज
sneakily, you know.
so he had to then do the talking on stage because I froze because it was a very big moment.
Yeah.
It was overwhelming, really. Yeah.
Who all other bands were there in the nomination?
Euphoria was there.
Euphoria was there.
There was a band called Sky Rabbit from Bombay, who we are huge fans of, who also were with us on the Soundpad tour.
Who's been the mentor of the band?
We don't really have a mentor as such. We've just worked together as a team, and like we earlier talked about, how it's not the kind of band where there's a front man and a. Although the girls do scream for
It's
him.
like a wonderful
but
team coming up
It
together.
is a team effort.
But
and,
as I would say,
yeah.
it's different musical instruments coming together and forming one piece
But
of good
the
music.
point, I think the important point is that the technicalities and the music is one side, but behind that there's a friendship and a trust with each other.
Yeah.
You know, because like I said, there are classical musicians जिनकी परवरिश बिल्कुल ही अलग हुई है. जो सबके पैर वैर छूना और स्टेज पे लिहाज रखना ये सब और हम लोग कुछ रॉक बैंड्स we come from that environment, so we've had to get to know each other's way of thinking and all that, and that is the biggest thing actually.
Who was the most irritating band member?
None.
Controversial.
Yeah? No, that's not controversial.
Oh, of course, there's no irritating.
I know the Sarangi guy takes too long to get ready actually.
Yeah, but that's
What's
something we're used
what's
to.
his good name?
Sohail.
Sohail.
He's actually, I mean, it's one of those, funny things. I mean,
Yeah.
everybody has something. So, I mean, he's very particular about the way he presents himself. Because everybody after a performance is like, you guys, whatever said and done, Sohail looks grand on stage,
Who's winning this battle?
By far, our keyboard player Anindo Bose.
Yeah?
He is the ustad of
Bad jokes.
Bad jokes.
Give one of his best.
एक बार हम स्टूडियो में गए, there were so many wires that we were like अरे देखो तारे ज़मीन पर. No, don't laugh.
उज्जवल उसका नाम उल्टा कर दे तो लवजू बन जाता है.
लवजू.
तो उसको लवजू बोलते हैं.
हाँ, लवजू.
Thunderous classical deep voice he has,
हाँ.
as you would have heard in the Russia video. And he's another one, really popular guy with all the fans.
Yeah.
In fact, we went to South Africa recently to play a show, and the organizers were trying to sell us CDs, and they're like, and the currency there is rands. It's like 50 rands for the CD. One lady came and said, "That guy, I'll buy him for 5,000 rands." So, sorry, Ujjwal, had to say it.
But movie buff है.
हाँ. तो एक को फिल्में देखनी पसंद है, एक को तैयार होना पसंद है, एक तो दीन दुनिया से परे है बेचारा, एक कितना शरीफ भोला भाला, एक वो है जो सारी लाइमलाइट ले जाता है. तो ये 4 हुए, बाकी के 4.
एक जोकर है
जोकर आपने बता दिया
हमारे
तो
हाँ जोकर है और मोहित लाल है हमारे इमेजिनरी फ्रेंड वाले.
इमेजिनरी फ्रेंड मतलब वो.
फिर हमारे हैं गौरव चिंतामणि जो बेस पे जाते हैं.
हाँ.
He's the most organized guy in the band.
बहुत ही ज़्यादा organized.
He's like always, phone पे emails, ये वो, and everything, and he's so. It's good, I mean, when you have every kind of person in the band,
Right.
it makes a team work and that kind of thing. And then we have our drummer, who's I think the coolest guy on the band. वो चाहे दिन हो या रात हो, उनके sunglasses नहीं उतरते. Rockstar तो वही है मतलब band में.
Super cool, yeah. Do you also consider yourself lucky that in today's space, because of the digitalization, your music can reach across barriers, across borders, and you can finally get your own space?
Yeah. This is one of the biggest factors for the fact that we've been able to grow as a band and a fan base is things like Facebook and sites like Artists Allowed, promoting independent stuff because the net is like a new space. Geography has become redundant.
And as a band, what is your ultimate dream?
I guess there's certain places in the world we'd want to play, like
Which
certain
would be?
places like a Royal Albert Hall in London or Madison Square Garden in New York. They're just like fantasies,
Yeah.
But who knows? If you're around for 8 years, obviously there'd be a reason for sticking around for 8 years. So
Right.
I mean, it'll be
By the pace you guys are going, I'm sure your dreams are going to be coming true very soon, maybe in the next couple of years.
Oh, thank you.
Well, guys, it was such a pleasure. And before we all sign off, we'd like to have one more performance from you, which would be?
Yeah, we're going to play a song called Why, which was released as a single by Artists Allowed. It's not on the albums.
Yep.
So we thought that's fitting that we should play it here.
Yeah.
Hope everybody
Super
enjoys
cool. Super cool. We're going to sign off now, and I'm going to leave you with this wonderful track called Why. See you next Monday, only on artsloud.com. Take care. Bye-bye.
Save me, I'm burned. Don't breathe, run. Don't know love. Now, why is there darkness all around? Why am I sinking in the quicksand? Why does my soul keep bleeding? Why am I sinking in the quicksand?
मेरा मन कर रहा है गाना गाने का। ओ तार के सीना हो जा कमीना, तार के सीना हो जा कमीना, तार के सीना हो जा कमीना। उन दिनों में ना ये हर चीज सिलेक्शन, ऑडिशन, ये सब बहुत चलता था। So life is like an exam at every step.
माही मेरे धड़कन दिल की सुन, बाजे मन में प्रीत की धुन. Hey, this is Shibani Kashyap on New This Week. I bring to you my latest musical offering for you and Akhiyan Noor. So don't forget to catch me on Monday at 4 p.m. only on artistallowed.com, where it's music first.